Welcome to this channel. Today we are going to explore Bhutan, where tradition meets nature. Before we go into the video, please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Now we go into the video. Bhutan is a small landlocked country located in the Himalayas, known for its stunning natural beauty, unique culture, and commitment to sustainable development. Bhutan is situated in the eastern Himalayas, bordered by India to the south, east, and west, and China, Tibet to the north. Bhutan has a rich and complex history with a strong emphasis on Buddhism and the country's unique cultural heritage. Bhutan's climate varies from tropical in the south to alpine in the north, with significant rainfall during the monsoon seasons. Bhutan has one international airport, Paro Airport, which is known for its challenging landing conditions and stunning views of the Himalayas. Bhutan has a population of around 800,000 people with a mix of ethnic groups including the Yengalop and Sachok. The majority of Bhutan's population is Buddhist and Vajrayana Buddhism, playing a significant role in the country's culture and daily life. The official language of Bhutan is Dijanga, but English is widely spoken, particularly in education and government. Bhutan's arts and culture are deeply rooted in its Buddhist heritage, with a strong emphasis on traditional music, dance, and crafts. Bhutan's education system is well developed, with a strong emphasis on Buddhist studies and traditional values. The cost of living in Bhutan is relatively high due to the country's commitment to sustainable development and its limited economic resources. Bhutan's per capita income is around $3,000. The country has a unique economic model with a focus on gross national happiness, GNH, rather than GDP. Bhutan is a constitutional monarchy with a king serving as head of state and a prime minister as head of government. The Bhutanese government has implemented various policies and programs aimed at promoting sustainable development, preserving culture, and improving living standards. Bhutan is divided into 20 districts, Dijangags, each with its own unique characteristics and attractions. Bhutan's rivers and waterways are an important part of the country's ecosystem and economy. Bhutan has significant natural resources including hydropower potential, forests, and minerals. Bhutan has a wealth of tourist attractions including the Paro Takstang, Tiger's Nest Monastery, Punakha Dijang, and the scenic valleys of the Himalayas. Some of the major cities and towns in Bhutan include Thimphu, the capital city, known for its vibrant culture and historic landmarks. Paro, a town in western Bhutan, known for its stunning valleys and historic sites. Punakha, a town in central Bhutan, known for its beautiful Dijang and scenic valley. Phobjika, a valley in central Bhutan, known for its natural beauty and wildlife. Jakar, a town in eastern Bhutan, known for its historic Dijang and scenic views. Bhutan offers employment opportunities in various sectors, including tourism, agriculture, and government. Bhutan has significant mineral resources, including limestone, dolomite, and coal. Bhutan's manufacturing sector is relatively small, but the country has potential for growth in areas like textiles and food processing. Agriculture is an important sector in Bhutan, with crops like rice, maize, and potatoes being major contributors to the country's economy. Bhutan's trade and commerce are closely tied to India, with the country relying on imports for many goods. Bhutan offers opportunities for business and investment, particularly in sectors like tourism, hydropower, and IT. Bhutan has a unique set of laws and regulations with a strong emphasis on preserving the country's culture and environment. Bhutan's transportation infrastructure is developing with improvements in roads and bridges. The official currency of Bhutan is the Bhutanese Injultron (BTN), which is pegged to the Indian rupee. Bhutan offers a range of accommodation options from budget friendly guest houses to luxury hotels. Getting a local SIM card in Bhutan can be challenging, but it is possible with a valid passport and proof of accommodation. Bhutan is a conservative country and visitors are expected to dress modestly, particularly when visiting Dijangs or attending cultural events. Bhutanese cuisine is a blend of traditional and international flavors with popular dishes like yamadotse, chilies and cheese, and honto, buckwheat noodles. Traveling in Bhutan can be challenging, particularly in rural areas. Visitors should exercise caution when driving or using public transportation. Visitors to Bhutan should respect local customs and traditions, particularly when visiting Bijans or attending cultural events. The flag of Bhutan features a dragon on a white and orange background. The national anthem is Truksenshan. Visitors to Bhutan require a valid passport and a visa, which can be obtained through the Bhutanese government's tourism portal. Planning a trip to Bhutan requires careful consideration of travel dates, accommodation, and transportation. A day-to-day agenda in Bhutan might include visiting historic sites, exploring the markets, and enjoying traditional cuisine. Bhutan is generally a safe country, but visitors should exercise caution when traveling to rural areas or attending large public events. The cost of living in Bhutan is relatively high due to the country's commitment to sustainable development and its limited economic resources. Bhutan has diplomatic relations with several countries, including India, China, and the United States. Bhutan is a member of several international organizations, including the United Nations and the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, SAAARC. Bhutan is a unique and fascinating country known for its stunning natural beauty, rich culture, and commitment to sustainable development. With its growing tourism industry and economic opportunities, Bhutan is a destination that offers something for everyone. Thank you for seeing this video. Please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you.